to the second video in the Google Classroom tutorial series. Today, we explore the Stream section of the Google Classroom. In the previous video, we learned how to create a Google class and invite students. In case you haven't seen it, surely go and check it out. The link is in the description box below. So, as we all know, there are 4 tabs in the Google Classroom: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. The Stream section is nothing but an announcement desk. Announcements can be posted by teachers to the class stream, which can be commented on by students, allowing for a two-way communication between the teacher and students. Students can also post to the class stream, but won't be as high of priority as an announcement by a teacher. In case you don't want students to post or comment in the stream section, the settings can be changed accordingly. Multiple types of media such as Google Drive files, link, files from your computer, as well as YouTube videos can be attached to the announcements and posts to share content. Let's begin by posting a link in the stream section. I wish to post a news article for my students. I copy the link, go to the stream section and say add link. Type out a message for your students. In case there's more than one class to which I need to post this article, I can select multiple classes and post it. But when I select more than one class, it becomes mandatory for me to send it to all the students. On the other hand, when I have selected just one class, I can select which student I wish to send the link to and which student I don't want to send the link to. So since we are selecting both the classes, all the students are automatically selected. And I say post when I wish to post the assignment at the moment. You also have the option of scheduling a post, wherein you can decide as to which date and time do you want the post to appear. Now let's learn how to schedule a post. One thing that you should keep in mind while scheduling a post is scheduling can only be done for one class at a time. You cannot schedule a post for multiple classes together. Now I am adding a YouTube video here. You can search for the video here, but it becomes a little bit more difficult. So I have the YouTube URL handy and I will simply paste it here. So this is my video and I say add. Now that the link to the YouTube video has been added, I will write a message for the students. Once you have typed the message, go to this drop-down menu. When you click post, this announcement is posted at the moment. You can schedule if you want to post it on a particular date and time. You can also save it as a draft in case you want to schedule it sometime later after making some changes in it. So let's schedule this draft. Maybe for tomorrow morning 8 a.m. and I say schedule. Your announcement has been scheduled and will appear in the stream section at the time allotted. You can also delete it here. Now scheduling can be done only for one class at a time. But in case we want this announcement to be sent to multiple classes, what can we do? We'll go to the classes and go to the other class. In order to schedule the post to multiple classes, you have this option of reuse post. You can select the class from which the post has to be selected, Select the post. See, this has been scheduled. Say reuse. This post will appear in this section as well. And you can schedule it once again for tomorrow 8 a.m. and say schedule. So in this video, we learned how to communicate with students using the stream section. In the next video, we'll explore the Classwork tab, wherein we can post different kinds of assignments and material. Posting assignments is very similar to posting announcements. The only difference is that you can also add due date, use rubrics, etc. So, see you next time.